Hey, it's FlyTy alongside Jacinda for Compare TV, the crossover edition. So you know who we have, our special guest, Chef Santana.
Yes, and the holidays are upon us. So this is one of those times I have no idea what we're doing. Like, this has been very hush-hush. I know we're here. You're gonna cook us something to eat, but I really don't know what's going on.
Definitely, so I'll tell you what's going on. So we're gonna go a little festive. We're gonna go untraditional. Right now, we know you have a lot of people coming in town. You might have friends coming in town. Everybody's having turkey stuffing and all of that things, right? So today what we're gonna do is flatbread pizzas. All right, really delicious take on that. Everyone loves pizza. It's a good way to spread everything out and just spread the love the holiday way.
Healthy for the holidays, spreading Christmas cheer. And you know, around the holidays, people put on a little weight. So this is the perfect snack for the holidays.
It can be, it can be.
All right, let's dive in.
All right, let's do it. You can take any flatbread that you please. Right now, I'm using some naan bread, and I'm also using some pita bread, all right? So real quick, the first thing I really want to do, I'm just gonna take some olive oil, put it on my hands, and I'm just gonna rub the bottom of the flatbread just so it won't stick, right? All right, so we got some pizza sauce already, ready made up. Just gonna put that on there. You just have fun, you just kind of go around on there. You want to leave some off the edge.
It's all in the wrist.
All in the wrist.
She's not paying attention. So
I am.
So I'm just going to take some shredded mozzarella, spread it all out right here. And so what I'm going to do is just strategically, not even strategically, I'm going to rustically just place these tomatoes down. So that's it right there. Literally 3 ingredients for right now. I have some fresh basil that I'm going to put when it comes out. I have my oven set to 425. We're going to throw this in the oven for about 10 minutes or so.
That's it?
That's it. All we want is the mozzarella to melt, and we want the tomatoes to brown and the bread to brown a little bit. Other than that, we're done.
It's getting hot in here. Here we go. Yeah, we're not taking off our clothes though, but we're gonna have some pizza in a few minutes.
So it's been 10 minutes. We're about to open up the oven and pull these boys out.
Oh, wow. That smells so good.
Gorgeous,
It
right?
Smells amazing.
Look at that.
Why are you dancing?
Because I get happy. I get so happy.
Just let me put some beauty on top of that. So we got some fresh basil. So this is the pita, and this is the naan. All right, so we're just gonna cut these up. So try these, and this way, you know, like if you have guests coming over, you can just cut them up. They go a long way. You can stretch them out like that.
And I get to say that it's homemade.
Yes.
You know, I don't really get to say that too often.
That is
awesome.
homemade.
I put some little Parmesan on top of that, right? Just
Oh,
let that kind of melt in.
you know how to dress it up.
You got to. All right, y'all take a taste of that.
Yes. Oh. Ooh, woo. That's how you know it's good when it's just.
Oh, that is beautiful.
Wait a minute, before we taste it, there's one thing that's missing. I'm looking for it. What's the name of these pieces?
These are Margherita pizzas.
Where's the margarita?
Oh, look, give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Let's mix up.
Yes. Cheers.
That is amazing. That was just 10 minutes.
10 minutes, right? Look at that. Look at that. All right, get full, get full. I got something special to tell you.
Ooh, I didn't know we were just coming to eat today.
This is good.
All right, so you guys ready for the plot twist?
Plot twist.
Plot twist. Delicious. Eat, you keep eating, because
Okay, all right.
you're going to need some nourishment for this competition that you guys are about to do.
Competition.
Competition. So you know how to make flatbreads now. What I have is a array of ingredients. So what I want y'all to do is just get creative. Make your own flatbreads. You pick your own flatbread, your own toppings, your own ingredients, and I'm going to judge you.
Judge you against me and him?
Definitely.
Oh, I got this. You ain't never cooked a day in your life.
I thought you said competition. It's no competition. I'm a winner. You see the W on my
Ah,
forehead?
okay, let's see. All right.
I'm a winner.
Let's go for it.
Yeah.
You don't even know what half those ingredients are.
I know exactly what they are. It doesn't, I don't even have to know the name, as long as it tastes good. Right, Santana?
That's it.
There it is.
All right, so stay tuned. You're about to see the competition between FlyTy and Jacinda. Let's see who wins.